Before I will introduce myself. My name is Repko Zakia. I'm from second class APHP. I'm stand here. I will to explain how to operate a deep fryer. First step, fill the deep fryer with a suitable cooking oil. Second step, turn on the deep fryer by pressing the switch. The third step, set the cooking oil temperature. The fourth step, wait a few minutes until the cooking oil reaches the desired temperature. The fifth step, put the food to be fried into the frying basket. The sixth step, lower the frying basket into the frying oil. Seventh step, fry the food for the appropriate time. Eighth step, remove the frying basket from the frying oil. Ninth step, drain the fried food and turn off the switch. Maybe that's my video how to use a deep fryer, and so sorry if there are any mistake in pronunciation. And last, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.